From this video we will know what's new in the new version of teslascada 2.48. In this version we add some changes in notifications objects like email, telegram bot and GSM modem. First, the change we made in notification messages and subjects. Now you can use keywords like project name, for example. In this example, project name will place name of the project. You can find it in general. In our case, demo project for version 48. Also, it's possible to add name of the tag, value of the tag, message of the tag when you send the notification alarm, and date time. That place date time of notifications is erased. Also, in the new version, we add possibility to send email address, to choose email address depending on priority of notification message, of alarm message. For example, in this case, from 0 to 100 will place to one email, from 900 to 1000 to other email. In our case, it's the same mail, but you can choose other. Mails can be separated by commas. You can use several emails in this case. In Telegram bot, you can also choose notification priority of sending message to Telegram bot. Now you can make it different. Instead of notification priority of erasing message box, and also you can use the same keywords like for email messages. Also, it's possible to choose GSM modem messages, notification priority, and setup messages in the same way like for email client and Telegram bot. We didn't use in our example project GSM modem notification messages, but you can do it. Now let's check how it works. We create some example project and let's imitate some alarm. Alarm is erased, and you can see in Telegram bot our message. So you can see keywords are used. First you have start the Telegram bot notifications erasing, and you can see the message are the same like we set up in our alarms, and our other keywords also work: name, date, time, message. And let's check email. You can see subject is project name, and you can see keywords name of the tag, value, and message that we've got when this alarm is erased. Also, in the new version we add some script to add dynamically email addresses depending on priority. For example, we want to add email address to the range of alarms. You can do it manually by using collection of depending on priority, but you can also add this dynamically during execution of the project. First argument is name of the range, and the second argument is email address. Also, you can remove this email address by using remove email from range. And now let's check this. We enter email in this field. And click Add. Now we erased alarm. Like in previous runtime execution, Telegram bot got notification message with our settings. Also, our first email address got this message, and now we have to get in this email address message. Yes, we've got it. The same message like for the our first email. Also, in the new version, we add possibility to add users dynamically. To do this, you have to use add user function. First argument is username, second password of the user, third argument privacy of the user, and fourth argument is access level. Fifth element is other priority, Boolean priority bind to the bits of this fifth element. For example, first argument control functions bind to the first bit, and second argument bind to the second property acknowledge events bind to the second bit, and depending on this property we want to use, we set bits of this argument of function. And also we add possibility to remove user dynamically. You have to enter only the name of this username. Let's check it. We enter name of our user operator, enter password, and enter the priority and access level. And now we have to click other add button, and let's check. Now when we try to stop, operator is appeared. So we have to enter password to run or stop our project. And in the last script from this example, we show how new function. We add possibility to save project and use the argument, the name of the project and folder. Folder should be existed to have possibility to save this project. And let's check. For example, we add again operator, username, save our project, and let's open this project and check our users. You can see the operator, the new project is saved with name of our operator, with our user. Let's remove our operator from the project. Yes, it's removed. Also, in the new version, we add some new graphical object to work with HTTP server. We set our HTTP server and use some for events log object, history table object, and XY trend object. So the analog of these objects for HTTP client you can find in our library. For example, for events log we have history event log object, and for history XY trend and for HTTP history table we have HTTP history debug table to have possibility to get these values, to fill this table and trends from HTTP client. You can do it manually, but we create HTTP client by using create client function on our project properties. Let's enter name of our client project file, save, and we want to convert DB objects into HTTP objects. We click yes. Save this client object and let's open to check. And you can see HTTP event log object. You can see it's bind to HTTP server. You can find HTTP server combo box. So it get events from the HTTP server, not from the DB. The same way for XY trend and for HTTP history table. They both get data not from databases, they get data from HTTP server. And let's load this project on our Android device. Okay, and let's check. We change some values. And you can see we've got an events log and XY trend values from our HTTP server and history DB table values from our HTTP server. So remotely, not from the database, local database of Android device. Also in the new versions we add possibility to find graphical objects that demonstrated in events log. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions, do not hesitate to ask by email or in our forum.